Hey everyone. Well, I am here with Adeline from Hi. And we just got our second Stitch Fix Kids box. So I don't know if you guys know about Stitch Fix Kids yet, but they just launched a kids division. You guys are probably all familiar with Stitch Fix. And so the great thing about Stitch Fix Kids is it's really affordable. The prices start at just $10 a piece. They'll usually put 8 to 12 items in a box. Are you very excited about these stickers? And so I took a peek online to see what was in this box for Adeline, but she has not seen anything. So I thought we would do a quick unboxing. All right, so all of this is obviously shoes because all the shoes come in these really cute bags. Okay, can you get them out? What do you think? So cute. I love the bags. We've been really happy with everything we've gotten from Stitch Fix Kids so far. They are literally just launching this. So they're getting tons of new product all the time. Oh my word. Show everybody. That's a really cute glitter shoe. I asked them to send some stuff that would be good for her for back to school time, which those would match everything, right? What do you think? Those are Tom's shoes. We've gotten Under Armour. We've gotten Nike. We've gotten Hannah Anderson, so brands that you are probably already familiar with. Okay, so we got to keep going or this is going to be really boring for everyone. Okay, we don't need to take this out right now. Okay, pull out something, see what you think.
So every time I saw this in a store, I asked for it.
You've seen this in a store, or you mean anything with sequins? Yeah, we're big fans of sequins. That is really, really cute. Okay. What else? Put something else up. Oh, this would be really cute for even the beach.
Okay, we're bringing this to the beach. We're going in 2 days.
Look at this little shirt. Adeline, feel how soft this shirt is. Look at the little tie.
We're bringing this to the beach.
You want to keep everything, don't you? Okay, what about this one? What are we thinking of this? This is a little dress.
That's cute.
You see the lace detailing. That is really cute. Solid colors. Okay. These are little black leggings with a little black tutu skirt.
Okay, we're keeping.
I mean, you want to keep everything. She's dangerous with her fixes because she does want everything. All right. Live colorfully. What do you think of this t-shirt? Where'd you go? What do you think of this? That's cute. It's got a glitter writing on it.
Don't worry, we're keeping that.
I was really excited that she got this because you can wear that. We have standard attire at her school, and you can wear this. Here, put that on. Feel how soft that is. And you've got some room to grow in that. They are really eager for feedback too, so I gave them feedback from her last box, and I can definitely tell that it was incorporated in. Look at you. You think you're something else, don't you? Okay, so I asked for some pants for you for school. These are some blue standard pants that you could wear. And look at these. These are cute.
Okay, these are adorable.
Adorable. So there is your first Stitch Fix box. Let me tell you what, you don't care what the prices are, the mommies do. So just like with, here, that's all that's in your baby.
I know. I'm just showing them that they can, and you can, sorry.
Well,
you can color the inside of the box. I professionally already did that.
See you. Yeah, your first box, she totally did. I'm going to be doing a blog post about this soon, and people will see the picture. So just like with the Stitch Fixes that you guys are probably familiar with for the kids, they write a note on there. Not necessarily so much styling, more just what the pieces are, at least on this one. And then let me tell you guys the pricing just so that you guys have some sort of idea. So the cheapest thing in this box was $12. That was the graphic tee. The burgundy one was $14. The price went up from there, a couple $18, a couple $20, $22. This cardigan was $20, but that's something I would totally pay $20 for. Let's make sure we can see you, sis.
It's a pocket cardigan.
Pocket cardigan. Now the pants were $38, one pair, and one pair was $28. So that's a little more expensive than I normally spend on kids' pants.
Maybe we could pay like one.
Yeah, maybe we could buy like one. But it is something that I tend to invest a little more money in when back to school stuff, just because I know they're going to be wearing it all year.
The Kinsley tutu dress.
Yeah, you like that tutu dress? That tutu dress, let's tell people with that one. Tutu leggings were $18. The tutu dress was $28. So you can see the price point in there. some $12, $14, some and kind of, but nothing really over $30 except for a couple things. The shoes were Tom's, so those were $38.
Comes in this envelope.
Comes in an envelope. They are really excited to know that. Anyway, they have the same styling fee as they do for the adult. It's a $20 styling fee, but that's applied to anything that you keep in your box. And you do get a lot more choices, which I really like as well. So I hope that is helpful. What size do they go up to? I see that question. I don't know what size they go up to. I know they start at size 2, and I think it maybe goes to 12 or 14. I will look on their site and see if I can find that answer. I know that Elias got a box, and he's a 10, and I think it's 12 or 14. So I hope that's helpful. Do you have anything else?
There's like instructions that like tell you what to do.
Or you can just listen to me. I just told them everything. Okay, but there's an affiliate link here. If you have a Stitch Fix account, they'll just add your kids to the account. It's not a separate account, which is really nice. Or you can sign up for a new account and try it out. But with back to school time, makes shopping really easy, which I really like. Okay.
Pick your favorites. Tell us
your
what
favorites. Oh, I'm seeing one more question.
Back.
Overall, is it worth it? I think it's worth it because I'm getting exposed to kids brands that I maybe wouldn't shop. Like, I don't know who this brand is. I don't even know how to say it. Chenault Girl, maybe? So again, just like with regular Stitch Fix, you're getting exposed to brands that you aren't familiar with. You get more choices, so I feel like if you give them your budget, you'll definitely get stuff within budget that you'll be able to keep something. And it's fun for your kids, which I think is fun. And honestly, it's super convenient, which I really like, particularly busy back to school time like right now.
You didn't see that you could actually flip the sequence.
You could even flip the sequence. Okay, guys, I am headed to the symphony with my dad tonight, so we're going to go. Can you say goodbye to everyone?
Bye.
All right, see you later. Bye.